I'm the Assistant Public Works Director for the town of Jackson, and I am also the manager of the wastewater division. We are standing in front of our virtual net metering solar project. It is about 60 to 70% done. This system size will be about 580 to 585 kW. Through this new solar system, we're going to be offsetting 4 accounts. One is here at the treatment plant, and then the other 3 will be in the town of Jackson, about 5 miles away. Everybody who lives here benefits from this project, and this is an important way to look at it. Small towns and cities have a hard time being able to replace their utility assets on a consistent basis. We used to be spending $300,000 to $350,000 a year in utility costs, and now you're spending $140,000 to $120,000. Now you really have some serious capital. That money can now go back into upgrading your manholes, upgrading your lift stations, upgrading your sewer pipes. If we can still treat the water and still provide a really good product and amazing service at a lesser cost, then it benefits everybody. Here at the treatment plant, we used to use quite a bit of energy. A little over 10 years ago, we were using about 5.8 million kilowatt hours. We were actually able to increase our efficiency at the wastewater treatment plant 70%. Right now, we're about 1.7 to 1.8 million kilowatt hours a year. A 70% increase in energy efficiency when you're spending $300,000 and $350,000 a year in utility costs is a big savings to people who are paying their sewer bills. It's pretty simple economics. Those are big savings, and those trickle down to the end user. When you look at your sewer bill, you look at your water bill, and you say, wow, we have inexpensive water, inexpensive sewer. That's because we manage our budgets really well, and we look at efficiency gains where we can save money for people who are tied to our systems.
So user-friendly, and boy, there's no maintenance involved at all, which is nice. We've had this system now for, I want to say 4 years, and we've never put anything into it maintenance-wise. I think as a business, you having solar, one, it saves you money. Who doesn't want to save you money? Because in the long run, it does put energy back into your building that you're not having to pay a monthly bill for. Secondly, it does offset the environment. So anytime that you can benefit the environment, save yourself some money, and it creates awareness too. We did this in partnership with Range Solar and Wind. We did have to get permission from the city to have the panels because they do own the property. We own the solar panels though. And so if for some reason we had to vacate, we would have to take the solar panels with us. Anytime you can save money, especially in today's economy, with everything going up and up and up, if you could do some like city incentives, that would be great. Maybe if you have solar panels on your building, you get $10 off your taxes or something. I don't know. It's one of those things that you kind of put up and forget about. It's just so low maintenance that I don't ever think about it really all that much. Low maintenance is good.
Reliant Federal Credit Union became interested in solar as we were constructing our new headquarters. The interest came because we felt the need as an organization to find ways to give back. The thought was that if every business did a little bit, we could really benefit the environment in a significant way. Our solar system has been operating flawlessly for the past 9.5 years. Nothing has been a problem. It just simply works. For us, it's been a kind of a fun project. We're happy that we're contributing in some small way to the environment by having solar panels on the building. Financially, it's reduced our electrical expense. Solar panels are becoming more and more effective, and I hope that at some point the same size solar field we have today can power the whole building. Reliant Federal Credit Union has a number of loan products that members can use to finance solar projects. We would welcome the opportunity to talk with members of the credit union about solar projects and how we might be able to help them finance those projects.